So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Within this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can block specific YouTube channel from your recommendations. Now, in order to do it, let me just simply open quickly YouTube in my system. If I just simply go to the YouTube, now here you're gonna see the basic homepage have been loaded. Now, if I want some particular channel to do not recommend uh, in my uh, in my suggestions now is for example this Netflix India, I don't want it suggestions, so I can just simply click on this three dots and hit this option of don't recommend channel. Once I click over there, here you're gonna see it says we won't recommend videos from this channel to you. Now in this recommendations and channel or or this particular YouTube channel will not show up in my recommendations anytime. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.